Good day, viewers. I remain my humble self, Otemu Ogeneyerowo, teaching on YouTube. I encourage you, who have not yet subscribed, to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Maths Success, irrespective of the country you are viewing me from and the class you are. Now, we're talking about linear inequalities in two variables. I've dealt with one before. We talk about solving two inequalities at the same time. Now, solve the following simultaneous linear inequality. X is less than 0, y is greater than 0, 4x plus 3y is greater than 0, 5x plus 2y is less than 10. Now the first thing there is x is less than 4. I will represent it with a broken line. Now I also have y is greater than 0. I will also represent it with a broken line. Now 4x plus 3y is greater than 0. So if you want to solve it, you have to remove the sign of the greater than and put equal to, which is 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. Since everything here is equal to 0, the coordinate point will be 0, 0. So we don't need to solve that. Now, let me take the 5x plus 3y plus 2y. 5x plus 2y is less than 10. So now say 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. So if you want to solve that, you now say when x is equal to 0, we now say 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. So there will be 5 bracket 0 plus 2y is equal to 10. So 2y is equal to 10. Then let's divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 2, is equal to 10 over 2, and y is equal to 5. So when x is 0, y is 5. When y is 0, what will be x? 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. This time y is 0. So 5x plus 2 bracket 0 is equal to 10. So 5x, here is 0 now, is equal to 10. Divide both sides by 5. So x is equal to 10 over 5, and x is equal to 2. Yes, 1, and x is equal to 2. So when x is 2, y is 0. So we are going to draw the graph of that inequality. So we will now take a linear graph, a straight line graph, which is a vertical line, and we now take the horizontal line. Now, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, this is the negative x, this is the negative y. So now, when the first thing we're going to take here is the first here, s is less than 4. So we can write your 4 here. If you have graph, it's calibrated 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if it's less than 4 and we have a less than, so you see we are going to represent with a broken line. So you have to represent it with a broken what? Line on 4. You draw it with a broken line on 4. Now, what are the numbers that are less than 4? We have 3 supposed to be here, 2, 1. So this is the coordinate point, which is 0. So it's coming towards this direction. It's coming towards this direction. It's coming towards this direction. Now, after that, I say y is greater than 0. Y is greater than 0 is a positive side. It's coming towards this direction. Y is greater than 0. 1, 2, 3 is greater than 0. It's the positive side of the graph. Positive side of the graph, y is greater than 0. Now, you see when s is 0, y is 5. You can take it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can take my 5 to be here because I'm not using graph. Then when x is 2, y is 0, I can take my 2 to be here. If you're using graph, you get it. When you look at this question, it's less than. So I will represent the graph, I will draw the point together with a broken line. Because of that less than, I will draw it with a broken line. Draw it with a broken line. Draw it with a broken line. Now, this is the graph of 5x plus 2y is equals to 10. Then when I now put 0 here, when I take two coordinate points of 0, 0, and I say x is 0, y is 0, 5 times 0 is 0, 2 times 0 is 0, so 0 plus 0 is not less than 10. Yes, what numbers that are less than 10, they are towards the direction of 4, 3, 2. So I will now draw my graph. I will draw my graph. Where all this, look at the x-axis, where all the point meets is the solution, is the region of the solution of the graph. We look at this one, draw here, you come here, all of them meet at this point. All of them meet at this point. So here is now the solution of the graph.